Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Okay, y'all, I got three little things I want to tell you about before I get into this morning's video. First of all, I'm getting a haircut today. It's either that or I'm going to have to go get a rabies shot and dog tags. The course yesterday, the mastery course that I made, it went live yesterday for the first time, and we had a great day. I signed up 17 people yesterday, so it's doing very good. If you want in, you can still get in. The link is in the description below. Amy, y'all, she is doing so much better. She's Amy again. Yesterday she cooked dinner, and she took boneless chicken thighs, cut them up, and stir-fried them on the grill with onions. Oh my God, that was so good. And she made rutabagas to go with that, and she made cornbread. Now, y'all, I've never really liked cornbread. Cornbread is not my thing at all. It's just too dry and too crumbly. I just don't care for it. But that cornbread that she made was her daddy's recipe. Lord, I think I'm going to have cornbread and milk for breakfast this morning. That stuff was good. That will make me a cornbread eater. Okay, today's video, stimulus stuff. Crazy Nancy, she's mad as hell because she didn't get her way. On Wednesday, everything was looking good for a stimulus package. Then on Wednesday night, Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin walked away saying no deal. They say they are still too far apart to come up with anything. Then yesterday, they was going to meet again in hopes of coming up with something. We never heard anything about it. Nancy said what the Senate and the White House wants is just not enough. I ask, not enough for who? Her special interest or the American people? She stuffed that bill full of her special interest. Now, if she is saying it's not enough for the American people, she's making sure we get nothing by not agreeing to a stimulus package. All she's got to do is take all that garbage out. Money for cannabis and stuff. That is ridiculous. She said the people is worth more than what the White House and the Senate is wanting to give. Okay, think about this for a minute. The people, we know what we're going to get. We're going to get $1,200 one-time stimulus check with $500 for dependents. We're not going to get any more. Everything else goes to their special interest, paying these big corporations. So she can't use that argument because no matter what they come up with, we're only going to get the $1,200 stimulus check. So that argument that she made right there is just pure garbage. Y'all, this lady is pure evil. She is doing one thing right now, and I don't know if she really means to do it or not. You know, a month ago, everybody was hard on the Mooch Man. Well, it seems like that has died away now because we're so hard on Nancy Pelosi. I mean, they both got to go. They're both just pure garbage. But they both have to go. But right now, the focus is on Crazy Nancy. Y'all, we got to keep our faith in God. This is going to turn out right. Y'all, my video today at 9 o'clock is something really good. It's a very good video. I want y'all to please go watch it and leave your comments. Let me know you was there. If you got a YouTube channel, or if you're wanting to start a YouTube channel, please go watch that video. It is very good information in it. Also, still have my books. They're in the links below. The stun guns are still in the links below, and my course is still available if you want to join it. Y'all, we will get out of this with faith in God. That's the only way we're going to get through it, is with God on our side. Y'all don't forget to say a prayer for our country, a prayer for our leaders, and a prayer for everybody that's suffering through this. Y'all, I do love you all. I don't know if I'll make another video today or not. It all depends on if we find out anything about the meeting yesterday. But y'all, please go watch the video that's popping up on the screen right now. I believe you'll get a lot out of it. And please leave a comment. Let me know you're there. Until the next time, I love you all. Ciao.